Great weather, just perfect to go somewhere. You see how much snow there is. Finally we got this place. Just look at this beauty. I feel like a Disney princess. Красиво. Очень красиво. Forgot to introduce the name of this place. So now, welcome to Minsk Castle. I would seriously like to be the princess who lives in this beautiful castle and see the sunrises every day. Very fucking cold. Coming through the entrance. We are going inside the country yard of the Minsk Castle. So let's see what is there inside. Oh, looks great. We are inside and we are in line to buy tickets. Tourists. I guess everyone was dreaming about such a castle in the childhood or in knight's armor. It was my real dream. Would like to be the knight. Still, by the way. Oh. So cool. Let's go ahead. Here are stairs. Oh my gosh. So as I understand, repairs were carried out here, and that is the part of the building which was preserved. If I met the creature dressed in this, I would be really scared. Honestly, there is nothing super special, super interesting, just some paintings, some furniture. That is what we can see absolutely in every castle, in every palace. Gosh, I thought it's real human. Okay, I was mistaken. This crocodile is definitely something special. The sound is also quite entertaining and interesting. Beautiful view. There must be the basement in the bottom, and I think we'll go there soon. This room a little bit reminds me of the room from Hermitage. Just there is something familiar here. Now we are definitely going downstairs, somewhere in the side of, in direction of basement, I think. That looks interesting. Yeah, by the way, I was right. Here, going in the direction of basement. We are almost in the bottom of the console. This part, it was saved. Welcome to the basement. Lovely, lovely place here. Looks cozy. Oh yeah, even camera there is. And of course, there is the wine cellar here too. This kitchen is more filled with different stuff than mine. Something delicious. Keep going. Something like a dining room in basement. Outside it's more interesting than inside. It's pointless to say anything just because of this wind. Another one basement. Okay, let's go there. Oh, so narrow. Можно, значит, потрогать? Я разрешаю. Я тоже. Don't really want to spend here my weekend, so let's go. Jesus. Oh, kid. I think he feels a bit cold. Somebody is being punished there right now. Welcome to the next castle. It is called Siersky Castle, as I remember. I'm not really sure. So it looks not super cool inside, like in country yard, but it's okay, beautiful. Fucking wind, I very much hate it. It doesn't let me record video normally. But yeah, sky is still very beautiful. Very much like it. So let's go inside. It feels like I'm surrounded the group of Chinese tourists. So many people. Very big number. And again, feeling like I'm in Hermitage. Silicon women, but actually they're in beautiful dresses. Another one room with animals on the walls. Poor creatures. It brings back memories of Gulliver's travels, doesn't it?
Эти две пушки, а также целый ряд других пушек были открыты в конце 16 начале 17 века для нужд этого дворца в собственной литейной мастерской, которая здесь была. Но стоит отметить, что пушки эти использовались регулярно, еще даже до 18 века. В 19 веке, правда, скорее всего, это уже предметно, собственно говоря.
I'm listening to this guy and I seriously think he's going to start rapping now.
Будто бы из церкви сбежал. Сейчас рэп молитву зачитает.
So it looks like the almost last hall. Here must be the end of this castle.